I joined AW Repair Group in December 2000 as a parts advisor, and now I'm a senior vehicle damage assessor. Body shop suits me, and yeah, I'd definitely recommend it. Company take career development really seriously, and I think where they can, they like to develop people internally. We're running a very good apprenticeship scheme, and there's always opportunity for somebody to progress up the ladder if they wish to do so. I've mentored quite a few young guys coming from different aspects of the industry who wanted to have a go at VDA. People have got to be willing to learn, but there's lots to teach them, and I really enjoy that side of the things, and I think they like to progress up the company as well. Saf, who I'm currently mentoring, I've known for a long time, and he started here as an apprentice. He's worked his way through the workshop, and now he's got to the stage where he'd like to take on the VDA role, which I'm really happy and proud to show him everything that I know to get him up to the standards that's required to be a vehicle damage assessor. I just feel comfortable here. It feels like it's a second home to me now. I've been here so long, and yeah, it just works for me really.